Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your location. Guys, finally, we are here to unbox and decorate our Christmas tree. Yes, man, it's belong. Guys, I bought this Christmas tree online, but when it was like it was than more than expected. But by the time we open it and start to fix it, everything was like, oh, it was manageable because Christmas is already here. So I'm just going to manage it because it's not what I really expected. It's not what I really expected. But nevertheless, my children love it. They say, Mommy, we love it too. Let's manage it like this. So that was it, guys. So it's a snow Christmas tree. So stay tuned and watch and see how we actually fix it. But this Christmas tree was manageable. Believe me, it was manageable. Well, let's get to it, guys.
Every little step I take, I elevate. Blessings follow me, I know fit to hesitate. Light shine bright when I enter the place. No bad energy, we just high on grace. I feel the melody calling my name. It's like a spark ignites the flame. Heartbeats that go to rhythm we claim. Touch vibration, make the whole room shake. Turn the feeling up, let the ground levitate. No holding back, this love we create. High on grace, can't replicate. The air is thick with joy, no space for doubt. We dancing in the glow, no fear, no drought. Steps align like stars, they map the route. Grace on our shoulders, hear the crowd shout. Feel the melody calling my name. It's like a spark ignites the flame. Heartbeats echo the rhythm we claim. Touch vibration, make the whole room shake. Turn the feeling up, let the ground levitate. No holding back, this love we create. High on grace, can't replicate.
Guys, you don't believe this. This last one was not the size of this Christmas tree. We tried our best. No way. Amazon na to do me, sha. Na to do me. Na to do me. No. It was not the size, guys. It did not even enter. It was not the size. They made a mistake and brought another size. Oh my goodness. Well, as I said before, we managed it. It was manageable anyway.